Hi and welcome back to Debt Tale. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the tax bracket income limits for 2025 as well as the deductions and exemption limits for 2025. So let's get started. So just like last week's video, this is again just about the limits and the exemptions and deductions amounts for the tax year of 2025. If you don't understand how this would impact your taxes, then please check out this video. If you don't understand what tax filing statuses are, again, here's another good video to watch. But this is just covering 2025 and it's a specific video for that tax year. How many tax brackets are there in 2025? It still remains the same, so there are 7 tax brackets. What are the tax rates for 2025? Currently, the tax bracket rates are the same as they were last year. They're the same thanks to the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, but this act is set to expire the end of 2025. So it is possible that the rates are going to be different for the following year, but I will cover it when it becomes knowledgeable. So as of right now, the 7 tax bracket rates are 10%, 12%, 22%, 24%, 32%, 35%, and finally 37%. What are the income limits for each tax bracket? Really quickly, I will be posting some tables up on the screen because it does vary dependent on what type of tax file you are. So currently on the screen, you will see the income limits for the tax brackets for those who are filing as single. Now we have the married and filing jointly income limits for tax brackets. And finally, this is the one for head of household. What is the 2025 standard deduction amount? So on the screen, you will see it broken down again by the type of filing status, as well as additional amounts if you are a senior. So in this case, a senior is greater than 65 in age. And just so you know, the income limits and the deductions do change on a yearly basis because of inflation. So that is why you get a new video for every tax year. Lastly, I'm also going to include on the screen a table for the exemption amount for those who might be subject to alternative minimum tax or AMT. If you don't know what that is, here's a video. But essentially, this is the exemption amount, so the amount that gets deducted from your AMTI. And I'm also really quickly on the screen going to point out the 28% rate when it applies to the excess amount, and exemptions do phase out at 25 cents per dollar once your AMT reaches those 2 amounts. So yeah, that is the numbers that are going to be associated with the 2025 tax year. So if you don't know, these are not the numbers that are going to be panning out when you file your taxes in 2025. This is actually the numbers that are going to apply for 2026 because you file taxes in the calendar year after the year you receive that income. So this is going to be the numbers that are going to affect you when you file your taxes in 2026. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below or just say hi. I'm the only one who is on this channel, so if I comment, it is legitimately me. I also can be found on social media. You can find me at DebtTale on Threads, Instagram, Facebook, and I hope to earn more of your viewing time. So thanks so much. If you are a current subscriber, I appreciate that you are still subscribed and that you have been supporting this channel, especially during my hiatus. I hopefully will be back a little bit more, and if you will do me the favor and give me ideas for videos that you would love to watch, that would be super helpful, so that way you have videos to watch when I eventually go on maternity leave. So help a girl out. Let me know what you want to know so that way I can make some more videos. So until the next video, bye!